Hey everyone, Dan here with Easy Product Image Overlays, the Shopify app that makes it easy to add, edit, and remove product stickers and put other text and graphics over your product images to make your collections and product pages look better. So let's take a look today. I want to show you a new feature that we added that is a bulk import-export via CSV file. And right now we'll start off by taking a look. I've got a free shipping graphic that we're putting on this product, and we got it how we like it, so we're going to just save it. And we can take a look at it on the front end of the website. Our free shipping graphic right here looks great. We've got it sized how we want it. But let's say we want to go ahead and just add it to the other three cases in this category. And we can do that easily with the import-export feature. So I'm going to go back to the app, and we'll back out to the main page of our Easy Product Image Overlays app. And what you're going to see is the import-export over here, which is new. And again, you can import and export. You can add, edit, and remove these overlays very easily. So if I go to an export, I can export all products or only products with overlays. If I'm just going to be editing and removing overlays, I can go with that. But since we're adding to 3 products, we're going to go ahead and just choose all products. So that's going to pop a CSV file right down into my downloads folder that I'll pop open here, and we'll take a look at it. So here we've got all the attributes of all of our overlays, what padding, justification, what fonts if it's a text overlay. But what I'm looking for here is the image overlay for our ball that's in the wholesale cases category. So this is the overlay we want to copy. So I'm going to grab, starting with column E, that specifies that this is an image overlay, and I'm going to grab all of the attributes, and here are the other 3 products right here. So I'm going to paste, paste, and paste. And since we're adding overlays, all we do is leave the overlay ID field empty, and we're ready to go. The system will assign it an overlay ID upon import. So I'm going to save this onto my desktop, and we'll call it overlay ads. As we're adding, we want to keep it as a CSV file, and we simply go into the import, grab the CSV, and you can see that it imported, it added 3. It gives you a little report, and all we got to do is go back here, hit refresh, and you'll see the stickers are on all of the products. They look great. So again, you can also very easily, let's say we decided we wanted to remove all of these stickers. It'd be a simple matter of grabbing all of these, including that overlay ID, hit the delete button, and let's save this as overlays, call it remove. Again, keep it as a CSV format. We're going to run an import on that remove file that I just made, and you can see that it deleted 4. We go back, and the stickers are gone. So that is, again, our new import-export feature with Easy Product Image Overlays, the Shopify app. You can find us in the Shopify store. Search for Easy Product Image Overlays.